Hey guys, so I'm gonna check out this CarPlay screen that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really nice unit because you have two cameras, one in the front and one in the back, and you can use the rear view really nice camera, okay? We have the proper screen right here with all the important information about it, how to connect it, and the base, which you can use this one that goes up on your dashboard and gets with glue, or you can use a suction cup that comes included, okay? We got the cigarette lighter USB Type-C cable that we're gonna use to pair it up, the Rearview camera with the reverse cable so that we can wire it into the reverse light, okay? A auxiliary cable to connect it up on our stereo, and the proper suction cup, okay? Okay, this is it. It can go also upon your dashboard or into your windscreen, however you want to install it, okay? Which I think that it's really nice. Well, and let's go ahead and start installing it. I'm gonna place it upon my car. I have already a rear view camera wired in, so I'm just gonna use that one, and let's see how it looks and how it works, okay? Let's go. The setup takes just minutes. You don't need any kind of tool and no complicated wiring. You can use the secure suction mount or the 3M adhesive base to place it on your dash or your windshield. Plug it in, power it on, and you're just ready to go. It's equipped with a crystal clear 4K front dash cam to capture every detail on the road, even in low light, and the rear 180p camera instantly activated when you shift into reverse if you had it wired like that, and you can leave the cables behind, as it connects wirelessly with Apple CarPlay, or in any case with Android Auto. You can have your favorite apps, all your messages, all the maps and music all synchronized and automatically at the moment that you start your car. It's a little bit faster and smoother and even more stable. And you can enjoy the crystal clear audio to your car stereo. You can connect it via Bluetooth, FM or auxiliary, or just use the built-in high-quality speakers for an instant rich sound wherever you go. The Smart Auto Brightness feature adjusts automatically to your surroundings, from the sunny highway to even late night drives. And when it's time to relax, you can mirror your phone screen to watch videos or share photos with your family, all in vivid HD clarity. I think that it's a nice upgrade for older cars like mine, and it gives me the tech of a modern dashboard without replacing my entire system. And with the real-time GPS navigation, you can stay confidently on course. You can access Google Maps, Waze, or your favorite navigation app directly to the screen. So overall, I think that this is a really nice upgrade that you can choose for your car if you don't have wireless CarPlay or Android Auto.